yourself something.
Whoa, what's happening, guys? Frankie here. Hope you are great today. You are starting the weekend the way you should be starting the weekend. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This is Frankie. I'll document my journey here with cryptocurrency platforms and also forex trading. So today we're going to talk about Azha trading software. That's the software I joined a few days ago, actually. Started last week. So today I'm going to document my journey to show you guys how much I've made this week and potentially how much you can make using this forex trading software. I'm also going to answer some questions from my subscribers. I've got lots of questions coming from different people, and I'm going to actually use one of my subscribers' questions because I do believe those questions could definitely benefit a lot of new people as well. Okay, so I started with this forex trading software last week, and I'm trying to document my journey as much as I can so that you guys can also, when you get started, you can know what to expect with this trading software. So if you're new to forex trading, no worries, it's okay. I can just, help you go through it. The way this one works is it's a robot, it's a trading software. Okay, so it trades for you. On top of that, and to add another layer of security, what I did is I purchased what we call account management. So I've got someone managing my software for me, meaning I don't have to do anything at all. I started last week with 3K. After a few days, so I started, I believe, on the 3rd of December. After a few days, I was on 3108. Then on the 7th, I was on 3146. On the 8th, I was on 3196. On the 10th, 2 days ago, I was on 3228. Yesterday, I was on I'm gonna update that. Actually, I forgot to change the date, but yesterday I was on 3272. So yesterday was the 11th here in Sydney, and today we're gonna go and have a look at how much I've made so far this week with Azha. As a reminder, in one of my videos, what I did was I was kind of predicting that, I mean, not predicting, it shouldn't be the right word, but I was trying to say, okay, if we move at a 5% profit per week, which is what I average with some of my platforms, my cryptocurrency platform, 5% profit in a week. So if I do that with forex trading using this software, I should be getting to $3,300. Now, let's have a look at this video here. Okay, so this video here was from a few days ago. I was kind of predicting the future. No, I was setting my goal. My goal was to be on, and I will let you listen to this. That was a few days ago, December 7th. Go, Frankie. Sitting on 3146. So 3146. And if I do 5% for the week, that's around 20% a month. I'm really happy with that. Times 1 or 5. Okay. All right, I'm going to take a risk here. My goal by Friday night is to be sitting on 3303. I cannot predict the future. I don't know what's going to happen. But damn, 3303. Wonder if I managed to get there. This is my goal for the week, guys. This is my goal for the week, to be on 3303. And I don't know what's going to happen. I have no idea what's going to happen. I'm just, exploring options. And okay, dude, you're talking way too much. No one cares. Okay, 3303 was the goal. Okay, and that was 5 days ago. Now let's see. I'm actually going to go and show you guys my real live MT4 account. This is what it looks like, guys. This is the MT4 account the robot uses to place the trades. So if you can see here, oh damn. Okay, so 3,278. So wow, I missed out by a few dollars. Okay, just wanted to go to 3,300. I missed out by a few dollars here. but still a pretty good week. Still a pretty good week. And let me actually, by the way, guys, this is the first time I've opened the MT4 account. Usually this is what you use to place a trade, but because I have a robot and I've got account management, I didn't do anything at all. So this is the first time I've actually opened the MT4 account for the last week or so. So finishing the week here on 3,278, a bit shy of the 3,300 goal, but considering still a pretty good result for me. And let me update my spreadsheet here. Okay, so finishing the week on 3,278. I went from 3,000 last week, 3,108. That's a progression for you guys throughout the week, and finishing on 3,278. So not a bad week, not a bad week. And that's something you guys can do as well. And you can work out the progress of your investment every week. What I do is I only check once on my phone, and that's it. I just check the progress on this sheet here for you guys and for myself to document my journey. And if you guys want to get started on this Azha trading software, you need a couple of things, okay? I'm going to try to detail it as much as possible. The first thing you guys need is you need a Forex trading account. You can do that with IC Markets, which is my current one in Australia. I don't know if it's available everywhere, but just check out the Forex traders in your country. That's what you need to do. Okay, you open a live trading account. Then these guys here will give you access to what is called an MT4 account, which is the platform you're going to use to place your trades. So once you get your live trading account set up, you're going to be downloading your MT4 software. Your MT4 platform, which is essentially this one here. Okay. And then you're going to place money on your Forex trading account. And then once everything is set up, that's it. You don't have to do anything at all. Again, I'm very happy to help you get started, and we can go through that together. But I wanted to, just show you guys the different steps to get started. Now, I want to take the time to answer some of the questions I've got from subscribers. And one of them asked me 4 questions that I believe are very common questions, and I'm going to try to answer them the best way I can. The first one is, okay, so hello again, mate. We've been talking before. I'm watching videos about Azha Autotrade. I'd like to know a few things though. First question, on a scale from 1 to 10, how much you believe that this thing is going to be a long-term income? Okay. Okay, so this is very different from the traditional cryptocurrency platforms I do. This is not BTC, this is not Bitcoin, this is Forex trading, which is much more regulated. That's the first thing. The second thing is it's not a platform per se. This is a software, a Forex trading software. So as long as the company behind it keeps providing updates to the software, I believe we are good. So on a scale from 1 to 10, I'd say 10. I'd say 10 because it's not a platform that can just disappear overnight. It's a software, and as long as the software works in normal market conditions, then we should be good to go. I don't have a crystal ball, but if you're asking me to base it off the last 6 months, then I guess we should be really good. Question number 2, on a scale from 1 to 10, do you think this is a short-term scam, grab money, run, that kind of stuff? I don't think so, because I've been watching these guys for the past 6 months, and I've been talking privately to different people who've been using the software. I've been also talking to friends who've been using the software, and I also have access to the private Facebook group. So whatever you see on the public one, usually, you see a public one, and then you get into the real private group, and then you're like, oh my goodness, what the fuck, what happened? You know, everything was fake and people are complaining and people are being censored. No, you get into the private group and it's the same thing. People are reporting massive gains and in profit, everyone is happy. So I do not think, at this stage, I do not think it's a short-term scam grab money. Question number 3. What's the control of your money? Do you own your keys or they can run away with my investment? That's a really, really good question. Thank you for asking. And I think a lot of you guys might be asking the same question. So, okay, how do I explain this? Forex trading, what you need to get is a Forex broker. And the Forex broker is the shell. Okay, it's more like a shell. And you guys have access to that shell to deposit and withdraw your account. Now, inside that shell, there is the actual tool you use to place trades. That tool is called an MT4 platform. So you use the MT4 platform to place trade. Now, these guys, the Azha trading guys, what they're going to have access to is just the tool inside, just the MT4 platform. All right. So what they can, the only thing they can do is if they have a bad trading day, they can lose a bit of balance from that MT4 platform. Can they deposit or withdraw money to your Forex trading account? No, absolutely not. They cannot touch your money. Your money is yours. They can only use the money that's on your MT4 platform. And it's in their best interest to make sure that they maximize the ROI on that money, because the more money you make, the more money they make as well. Because remember, they're getting a cut of your profit. They're getting between 10 and 20% of your profit. So the more money you make, the more money they make. So they have zero interest in losing that money. So I hope that answers your question. No, they cannot withdraw or deposit money to your Forex trading account. That account is yours and you can do whatever you want with it. It belongs to you and no one else has access to it. Question number 4. How much you believe that you won't wake up one day and see investment bumped? Okay, I'll be very clear. Every single morning I wake up. That's one of the first things I check. I check my phone. I expect to see every single morning, I expect to see an increase in my balance. Every single morning, I'm confident that I'm going to see an increase in my balance. Now, having said that, I do expect that one day, yes, I will see a losing day, because it's part of trading. It's part of Forex trading. That's what happens in Forex trading. So yes, I do expect losing days. But if you look at your account on a weekly, on a bi-weekly, on a fortnightly or a monthly basis, you should see definitely a positive outcome and you should see a profit in the long term for sure. So to answer your question, every day I wake up, I expect to see wins, and more. By the way, guys, if you want to contact me or leave me some feedback about my videos or ask me any questions about Azha, you can definitely do that. I've got my email address in the description of this video. You can also contact me through Telegram. I've got lots of people asking me questions every day, and that's completely fine. I welcome any feedback. I think I'm a pretty flexible person, and I'm very happy to hear any feedback you may have. Like this gentleman here gave me some feedback, and I also answered this question. So don't hesitate to contact me. I'm a very accessible person, and what I want to do is really document my journey so that you guys can also benefit from it, and you can, you know, start your journey, or can help you get started. Or if you need anything at all from me, just let me know. Contact me in the description with my Telegram or my email address. That's it for me. This is Frankie. I gotta run, and you have a great one. Take care.